Good morning, everyone. My name is Jen, and welcome to my channel, Embracing Chaos. I am here for another What I Eat in a Day in a Life. So today you're going to see everything that I eat to lose weight on WW or my WW personal points plan. And I mean, who knows? I think I have a little grocery haul I want to share with you. And then I don't know what else I'm doing today. I'm going to work. That's why I have this little thing blotched out here, because I'm not allowed to show you my company name. I work for a top secret ninja agency. Fine, I'm a nurse. I work in family practice. And I got mad jokes, right? Yeah. Mad. Anyways, so I'm going to get my day started. I have two things to show you. My coffee cup is nothing exciting today. It's just my good old-fashioned Yeti. But I'll tell you what, guys, these things hold heat like no other. I made some tea the other day. I let it sit for 5 minutes while steep. Then I took the lid off and let it cool for like a half an hour, and I still burnt the poo out of my tongue. Like, I couldn't taste food for the rest of the day. It was really bad, but it was really good because it's an awesome cup. So now I know, put ice in it. Put ice in it. Okay, if you use a Yeti for hot stuff, use ice. If you want to drink the liquid that's in there within the next 24 hours. Yes, I struggle. And then I wanted to give you my first impression of a new flavor that I got for my Circle water bottle. Now, last week you guys saw a different bottle. I think I was using my white one at the time, but my daughter bought one and she didn't care for it. This one's bigger. It's still the stainless steel so that it keeps my liquids cold. And I put a new flavor in it. This is called Mocha Iced Coffee, and it is a caffeinated beverage mix. So there's what that looks like. I cannot imagine what coffee would taste like in a water bottle, but we'll see. And then let's try it and see what we think. I forgot to change the settings so we get flavor. The water was very good. The water was good. So if you guys are not familiar with these Circle water bottles, there's a little nozzle right here that you can change to adjust the amount of flavor that you get. So I'm going to put it on a 3 and see what we think. Good trial run. We nailed it, guys. Nailed it. Okay. I can taste it, and you know what? It doesn't taste bad. I'm going to bump it up a notch, though. I'm going to bump it up to a 5. The thing with this one, for some reason, is I don't get a lot of flavor until after I've taken a big drink. Whereas my smaller one, I got flavor right away. I don't know why that is. Maybe it was just a different filter, because it doesn't seem like the size of the bottle should make a difference for that. But let's try it. Ooh. Ooh. That I tasted right away. Not a bad flavor, but that was too much. Okay, I'm going to try it on a 4 now. So first was 3. It was too much of a delayed flavor there. 5 was full flavor burst right in your face, right away. So 4 is going to be the happy medium, right? Oh, yes. Now that, my friends, is good. I'm putting it in my lunchbox. That is good. That is good. And it doesn't taste like watery coffee. It actually tastes like iced mocha. And it's got no calories. It's got nothing in it. It's just flavor. Maybe I can tell you real quick how much caffeine it has in it. So serving size is 1.5 milliliters. And then it is 30 milligrams of coffee in 1.5 milliliters. I feel like that's a lot. Is that a lot? I'm going to look online and see how much caffeine a regular size cup of coffee has and compare it to this. Chaos Jen's going to do some math and put it down at the bottom of the screen. So, anywho, why do I say that? Like, I don't even know where that came from. But I've noticed in my videos I say anywho all the time. I don't know where I got it. Did I say that before too? I don't know. But anyways, I've got to get to work. I hope you guys all have a fantastic start to your day. And I will see you at breakfast. Bye, guys. So this may not look so good, but I'm telling you guys, it is absolutely amazing. These are chocolate chip overnight oats, and I got this recipe from Kristi over at Planning Us Healthy. I will link her channel down below, and I'll put a link for the recipe so you guys can go and check them out. I did use Lily's chocolate chips to make this, and the entire thing is only 4 points. Feeling a little hungry, so I am going to have a quick snack. Here I am having 2 cups of this Smart Food white cheddar popcorn. It is 2 cups for 4 points. Here we have one of my new all-time favorites. This is Taylor Farms Fiesta salad with chicken. I get this at Walmart, and the entire thing is 5 points. It comes with the cheese, the corn, the chicken, and the carrots. On the other side, it's got the salsa ranch dressing, tortilla chips that are flavored like Doritos, a cutesy-wootsy little fork, and about 2 cups of iceberg lettuce. Here I'm just going to have a quick snack. I have 2 hard-boiled eggs and 1 ounce of cheddar cheese from the hospital cafeteria. The eggs are 0 points and the cheese is 5 points. Okay, so quick grocery haul. Sorry if you can hear Chulo in the background. He's not happy about being outside to play with the neighbor dogs while I record. Here I have caramel pecan K-Cups, 0 points. Dollar Tree find. I don't even know how it'll work, but it is a face mask for smile lines. You put it on for 20 minutes, then take it off and you don't have to rinse. This, I had to show you, is the cutest thing ever. It is a flower pot that was on clearance at Michael's, and it sits on this little stand. It was on clearance for $4.23, so I had to get it. I got myself a Fiesta blend chicken salad with chicken. This is a great value. Well, it's from Walmart, so I guess it's not great value. It's Taylor Farms. It's 5 points, but then because of the vegetables, I do get some points back. So we'll take that. Next, I have the Zero Sugar Ready Whip. It is 5 grams for 1 point or up to 12 grams for 2 points, which I feel like that is going to be a lot. Lily's baking chips, you can have 30 for 2 points. Can you see that? Let me show you this. This is new for me. I've had powdered peanut butter before, but never the great value kind. This is actually 10 calories less than the PB2. I don't know how it's going to be taste-wise, but I'm excited to try it. And it is I have to squeeze a little, I'm sorry. 2 tablespoons for 1 point. I like to mix this with my sugar-free maple syrup. 1 tablespoon for 0 points, 2 tablespoons for 1. So usually it is 1 tablespoon of this with 2 tablespoons of that. I mix it together. I dip my fruit in it, or I like to put it on English muffins with the banana. And that's just a quick 3-point peanut butter there. I needed some more mayonnaise. I got the light great value. It is 1 tablespoon for 1 point or 2 tablespoons for 3. Got some apples that are 0 points. Then I've got some olive oil. I don't count points for this because I'm cooking with it and I don't feel like I need to. Then we've got some great value extra virgin olive oil spray. Use that for everything. Then I've got some sugar-free snack packs. This is just pudding. I've got chocolate and vanilla, and these are 3 points a piece. I got a spaghetti squash to go with this. This is new for me. This is a no sugar added ragu, simply chunky garden vegetable sauce, and I did not point this out. Gosh darn it. Oh yeah, yes I did. It's a half a cup for 2 points or 1 cup for 5 points. And I thought this would be really good with some more vegetables on the spaghetti squash. Then I've got some great value smoked ham. It is 5 slices for 1 point. And then the oven roasted turkey. I don't know why they do 1 with slices and then 1 with ounces, but it's 2 ounces for 1 point. We have some unsweetened vanilla almond milk. This is 1 cup for 1 point, or you can have up to 2/3 of a cup for 0 points. Then for my sweet tooth, some mango halo top bars. It's 2 for 4 or 1 for 2. And then I got the great value ice cream sandwiches. These are the 0 added sugar. I've never had them before, but I'm so excited to be able to try them. And it is 1 for 3 points. Alright guys, here's my dinner for the night. Steve made this for me. So I've got about 3 ounces of turkey breast right here. It has Italian seasoning on it. Let me zoom in. And then this is a new frozen vegetable thing that I have. I can't remember who made it, so I'm going to pull the bag out of the trash with clean hands unless it's really nasty.
And I'll take a picture of it, but it's got squash, Brussels sprouts, and onions in it. And it's just like a little griller pack that you toss in the oven and bake, or I guess you could cook it on the grill, I don't know. But we found it in the frozen section. And this, guys, is a 0-point dinner for me. Hey friends, me again. I did something to my camera so that instead of the entire screen showing what I'm filming, it's like squished into this little corner, and I don't know how to fix the setting. I hit a button when I was trying to put my Jeffree Star selfie light on there, so hopefully it turns out okay when I'm recording. Real quick update on my points. I am going to eat one of these Great Value ice cream sandwiches for 3 points, which will put me at a total of 16 points left for the day, which means I used 19. I had a really stressful, emotional afternoon. I didn't eat any snacks, and then my dinner was 0 points. So I have a lot more points left than I usually do. And I just want to point out that I know from personal experience that having this many points left at the end of the day on a regular basis does not mean I'm going to lose more weight. I have found that I need to try an average about 8 to 10 points per meal, which I'm not doing at the moment, in order to lose my maximum amount of weight. That's how it's always been. So I know when I first started Weight Watchers, I was like, oh, the more points I have left during the day, the more I'm going to lose. That's not how it works. You have to consume enough to maintain a metabolism, and when you're not putting a lot in your body, your metabolism slows down because it doesn't have that much work to do. So just a little pointer there. I might have a snack later. I don't know. I was thinking a banana with some PB2 and the maple syrup mixed together sounded really good. But even that wouldn't be that many points, so it's just gonna have to be a low point day for me. I'm talking like it's a bad thing, and it's not necessarily, especially after yesterday. I'm just because I keep it real with you guys. I worked with a different doctor than I'm used to, and it was so intimidating. So I stress ate 9 cinnamon candies, like the little round ones. Yeah, 9 I counted. And then I had probably a half a loaf of garlic bread. My daughter Ava made some that's like the Great Value stuff you put in the oven, and oh my gosh, it was so good. So I definitely have enough points to spare as far as not eating goes today, because I ate all my points for today yesterday, I am sure. But it was just one of those days. I was stressed, I was not focused, and it was so good. It was so good. And the whole time I'm eating, I'm like paying attention to what's going on in my head, and I'm like, well, I'm starting to think like, well, I already screwed up. I might as well have another piece. And I caught myself in that cycle, and I was like, no, this is it. You were done. You already screwed up. Yes, you did. You know you did. So you need to stop and start fresh with the next bite. Not the next bite of garlic bread either. The next bite was breakfast this morning. So yeah. And then I have a weight update for you. I wanted to save it until the end just because I thought we'd sit down and have a little chitty chat at the end of the day, so that's what we're doing. Last week, I felt like I did really good with my tracking. No major episodes of weakness. Of course, it was my first week back on track for a while, but I did track every day except for the weekend, and then I went to a concert on Thursday, and I drank some alcohol, and I did count them. I drank those White Claws. And the point values on those are not terrible, but I used most of my allowance in alcohol, which really didn't take that much. So it's easy to do, but that's why they're there. And no, I didn't consume loads and loads of alcohol. But anyways, my point with that is I lost 2.2 pounds last week. So yay, thank you guys for your support on that one. Very excited. I feel like it was a good start. We'll see what happens after my garlic bread catastrophe this week. It didn't have cheese on it, so maybe there's a little bit of hope. I don't know. Good with the bad guys, ups and downs. That's what it's all about. But anyways, it is getting close to my bedtime. I am just so emotionally and physically exhausted. I'm ready to go to bed now. So I'm going to eat my ice cream sandwich, watch a little bit of YouTube, and then I'm going to go to sleep. So let me know down below how you guys did today. How is your tracking? How is your energy level, your exercise? Did you smile? Did you laugh? Did you cry? Share with me, guys. I want to know how you're doing. And until next time, keep smiling. Bye, guys.